These viral ASMR car restorations you're watching right now, they aren't even real. But they are making serious money just using AI. You don't even need a wrench. Look at channels like Wow Hub. Small subs, but 200,000 plus views per video. The best part? They're fully monetized and making thousands of dollars a month. So I spent a week figuring out how they script their videos. I even created my own restoration demo, and I will show you exactly what I found. Actually, the hardest part about AI video isn't the prompting, it's consistency, but I finally cracked the code. I found a single prompt structure that generates 9 consistent shots at once. No gatekeeping. Let me show you how this works and the exact prompts for free. Let's fix some cars. All right, step 1, the master image. This is the soul of the video. So first we have to write a detailed prompt for a wrecked car. Environment, decay, angles, everything. Copy it. Head over to OpenArt. I use this because one sub unlocks all the top image and video models with 0 watermarks. This time, we will go with Nano Banana Pro. Paste the prompt, 16:9, generate. Boom, there's our project car. Download it. But here is the problem. How do we keep this car looking identical across 50 different shots? Here's the secret. Drag that master image into Omni reference. This locks the character identity. And before we prompt, let's map out the shots. Basically, we need the decay, interior, exterior cleaning, painting, and the reveal. To make it satisfying, add details like parts washing and sanding. You don't need to be a mechanic. You just need to know the flow. With the blueprint ready, let's not waste time generating one by one. We use the 9-grid method. Open the prompt stock. You can find the link in description down below. Feel free to check it out. Copy the prompt. Feed it to Gemini with your master image and say, rewrite this prompt according to the original format. Generate a 3x3 grid of decay details based on the image I provided. Copy your prompt back to OpenArt. Paste and hit generate. Watch this. 9 consistent shots in one go. Repeat this logic for the cleaning and painting stages. Now, we have a ton of consistent details, but they are stuck in a grid. Simple fix. Download the grid, drag it back into Omni reference, and use an extraction prompt like, extract the second image from the first row. Combined with Omni's precision, look at that. Perfectly isolated. Repeat this to slice up every shot. So now we have crisp, high-res shots. It's time to make them move. Feed the 9-grid shot back to Gemini and ask it to write all 9 video prompts at once. Here is a lethal detail. Your prompt must include ASMR sound design. Without sound cues, the video is silent, and viewers will click off instantly. Then go back to OpenArt, click Image to Video, select WAN 2.6. In my last testing, this model is the undisputed king of physics and value right now. Upload the corresponding image, paste the prompt, resolution 720p, 10 seconds, audio on. Generate! Listen to that crunch. Look at that texture. Perfect. Generate them all, download them. Pro tip, number your files sequentially. This saves you hours of editing time. Finally, the assembly. Open CapCut, import everything. Right-click and sort by name. This automatically aligns your storyline. Drag them onto the timeline. Looks good? Hit export, bump it to 4K. Mission accomplished. Hard to believe this was all generated by AI, right? From a single static image to this. If you want to try it yourself, this entire workflow runs on OpenArt, and I've put every single prompt plus the full step-by-step setup inside the free document below. Just follow the process and build your first ASMR car restoration. If this video saved you time, hit like and subscribe. I post more breakdowns like this every week. Thanks for watching!